Today, 100 years ago. Today, 100 years ago, Fred Spofforth once left England's greatest batsman trembling at the crease. He stood 6 feet tall with a long black beard and eyes that never blinked. That stare alone made grown men forget their footwork. He grew up in Melbourne, where the summer heat baked the outfields hard as stone. Young Spofforth learned to bowl on those cracked surfaces, running in from 40 yards with a whip-like action that sent the ball screaming down the pitch. By his mid-20s, he had already claimed hundreds of wickets in club matches, yet the English establishment still dismissed colonial bowlers as harmless. Then came the 1878 tour. At Lord's, he tore through the Marylebone Cricket Club for 6 wickets in 4 runs. The papers christened him the Demon. 2 years later, he returned to face W.G. Grace's full England side. Lord Harris, the captain, told his men to play straight and wait for mistakes. Spofforth had other plans. The decisive test at the Oval began under grey skies. Spofforth opened with searing pace that kicked viciously off the uncovered pitch. He dismissed Grace for a duck in the first innings. When England needed just 85 to win in the second, he opened with a spell of 4 wickets for 2 runs. The crowd fell silent. Batsmen froze at the sight of his approach. He finished with 14 wickets for 90 runs, the first bowler ever to achieve that feat in a single test. Australia won by 7 runs. That night, the Sporting Times printed its famous obituary for English cricket. The Ashes were born. Spofforth's method became the template for every fast bowler who followed. He showed the world that raw speed married to relentless will could break the strongest batting lineups. On June 4, 1926, the man who started it all died quietly in Surrey at 72. His stare had already changed the game forever. If Spofforth's stare and the birth of the Ashes still echo for you, the game holds many more forgotten giants. Like and subscribe. Every era has its demons waiting to be remembered.